Welcome, Gina. Today I gotta make a fish. The salmon, look how nice. That's a salmon, nice and fresh. Look at this. And then, this I need. I prepare already. We need all this. We need fresh tomato, like peeled tomato. We need onions and olive. I chop already the olive. And plus we need little garlic, oregano, and hot pepper, the one. Somebody don't like it, you don't have to use. Okay? And plus, we need olive oil, salt, and pepper, and parsley. This, they go all together with the fish. Okay? And now we start, all right. Okay, now I gotta prepare the fish. See? I have everything. First of all, I put the salt. Gotta make it tasty. You toss salt and a little black pepper. See? On one side, and you turn on the other side too. You can turn like this. See? Turn like this. And you put on this side too. Salt. And pepper. Salt and pepper. Okay? That's the fish. Now we gotta put here. In the tray I put a little olio. Olive oil, olive oil. Okay, olive oil. All right. And now you make the fish here. That's the fish, and you put over here. See? This is the fish. It's so nice. I love the fish. I love the fish, nice. And now we gotta put in the oven. Yeah. I can put a little oil on the top of the fish too, like this. All right, that's it. And this is the fish you prepare when you got, now it's already for cook. Now it's already for cook, I see. I put in the oven. It's a 315 the oven. Maybe 20 minutes, 25. You gotta watch. When you make some in the oven, you gotta watch, okay? And now we prepare the sauce for the fish. Hey, okay. Now we make a sauce, see? That's it. Now we gotta make a sauce. That's the olive oil. You gotta put over there, you put olive oil. You can put about like 2 spoons of oil, like this, you know? All right? This is done. Now the fiammelle is on. First of all, we put the onions. First we put the onions. See? That's number 1. Let it fry a little bit, just make a little mush, then I put the garlic. Little bit at a time. We gotta make a fish today, so different thing. All right, the onions is a little soft, so then they fry a little bit. And now I make the garlic. This is the garlic. Go over here. Okay? And now they gotta fry a little bit of the garlic. And then we put the salt, the tomato. That's it. They gotta fry a little bit, so. That's the salsa. They go here. Okay. The garlic, the smell already, just when they make a more, see? That's already. Now I put the salsa. This is the salsa. It's a tomato, peel tomato, peel tomato. Okay, this is done too. I like it to spoon. I enjoy when I do like this. I like it to spoon. But now, what I gotta put now? Oh, I gotta put the tasty. Hey. I have oregano. This is oregano. Gotta put here. That's it, oregano. Go here. And this is hot pepper. We pour. Somebody know, some people they can't eat that stuff, but it's okay. You know, pour. All right. That's I pour. And then I gotta make a little salt and pepper too. Gotta make salsa, salsina. Una salsina si deve fare per il pesce. So let it cook a little bit. I have this to put around, the olive. And then you could put a little black pepper. Little salt. E questa I gotta put the olive now. Let me tell you a little bit. It's so good. Peel tomato, they're nice. They're nice and red. All right. That's the turn. Okay, but the salsa about 10 minutes. Look, is already, look. The salsa is already. See, but I have to put the olive now. I have the olive to put here. Okay? Now, let me turn a little bit. And that's the salsina, see? That's la salsa. Now they gotta cook a little bit at the gate, the olive. And we wait for the fish. We wait for the fish. I want to test the salt. What they look like the salt. See, nice, huh? Look how nice. Huh? It smells good. Everything fresh. Let me see. So good. È buono. Buona. Non need the salt. No need the salt, no. Aiuto. Here's the hot pepper. Yeah, a little bit, but you can hear, you can feel it. You can feel the hot pepper. Somebody like pure, somebody not like it, no pure. Now we keep a little low flame. We wait for the fish. This is it. Okay? Okay, it's 25 minutes. I'm assuming my fish is done. 25 minutes, the fish is done. You see what they look like? This is it. I pour out. This is the fish. I put over there. See? It smells good. I know. I can't wait to eat this. It smells good and nice thing. All right, and now we gotta eat. Okay, I have everything here now. See? That's the salsa. That's the dish I gotta use, and that's the fish. So now, in the dish, I put first I have to put a little salsa on the bottom like this. You put a little salsa. All right, that smells so good. Smells so good. Okay, this is all right. I think that's enough. But I don't know, whatever I do the way, so now I gotta put the fish here. That's the fish. You put over there. It's one. That's a two. And that's a three. 3 big pieces. All right. Now we gotta put. Maybe this one you eat. This one. I put just a little bit this. You can put a little parsley. And the dish is already, you see, and nice. You see? Okay, I make my dish. See, this is my dish. I take all the big piece, all the piece I take, I gotta eat. Okay, let me see, I gotta taste it now. Okay. Look, they come like this, look, they come like this, you see? They smell, they fall like this, see? You see how nice? Look how nice. Oh, wow. It smells good. Let me see. I want this. Okay? Buon-A-Petitti. So good. It's so good. It's good, it's good. We have leftover salsa. You can use, when you eat, you use it for the other one, all right? So, I make a fish, because Easter come. I want to say Happy Easter e Buona Pasqua all'Italia e America. And that's a fish is wonderful. You can make any fish you like, but that way is nice. It's nice. Okay, goodbye. I see you next time, all right? And God bless everybody. Bye. Bye-bye.